Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
Hey, welcome back. Once again, 28 days to go before Christmas. 28 days na lang, ha? Uy, ang bilis na niyan, ha? It's gonna be real quick. Time once again for some of the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Also, I'm gonna be giving you news and updates from in and around the city. But first, here's a couple of invites for you. Check out the payday sale at our home, third level of SM City Olongapo Central, happening November. Kanina pala ito, no? 27 to 30 nag-start hanggang November 30 pa. Okay? Hanggang this weekend. At all 32 Our Home branches nationwide, 85% off on mattresses, 70% off on furniture, 50% off on carpets, 50% off on linens, 50% off on home decor accessories. Okay? Dito sa Olongapo City, it's at the third level of SM Central. Okay? And what's showing at the SM Central Cinemas, Cinema 1, Zootopia, Part 2, and back-to-back with Now So You See Me, Now You Don't. Cinema 2, Salvage Land, back-to-back with KMJS, Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho. Uy, showing na. Gabi ng Lagim, the movie. Cinema 3, Keeper. Horror din to, no? Yeah. Tsaka ito pa, back-to-back with Tharay, the Exorcist. And I think it's a Thailand or one of those, I'm not sure kung Thailand or Indonesian movie. Tharay yung pangalan ng The Exorcist. Yan. Sa Tagalog kasi ang Tharay yung yung nakataas yung kilay, Mataray. That's at Cinema 3. Cinema 4, Wicked for Good. Okay, buy your tickets now. Cinema 4. Wicked for Good. Cinema 4. Cinema 5, Meet, Greet, and Buy. Okay, it's a drama movie. Filipino drama movie. And lastly, at Cinema 6, back-to-back ang Wicked for Good and Zootopia Part 2. Those are what's showing at the SM City Olongapo Central Cinemas. Cinema 1 to 6. Okay? And Ace is going to be having the Thanksgiving sale, Thanksgiving treats, starting tomorrow, November 28 to December 1. For every 3,000 minimum spend, 10% off. Okay? And for 5,000 pesos minimum spend, 10% off. Plus, 200 SMAC points, SM Advantage card points. Wow, check it out. At Ace, Thanksgiving treats at all Ace Hardware, of course. Next up, we have the Payday Weekend Specials at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Payday Vibes On. Enjoy deals of up to 50% off from November 28 to 30 at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Tokyo's Merry Tempura Feast is from November 25 to 27. Uy, last na ngayon. Okay. Umabot ba kayo? Last ngayon. 35% off on tempura platters. Yan. Yung dating 690, 449 na lang. Okay. And this one's gonna be happening tomorrow. SM Store, Olongapo Central, Smack Thanksgiving Sale. Pero ngayon yung talagang Thanksgiving Day, no? Thursday. Last Thursday of November. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, this is November 28 to 30. Smack Thanksgiving Sale, 10% off with a minimum spend of 3,000 on regular price items, 10% off via Metro Bank card. Okay. And your events, it's best to do them at the SMX Convention Olongapo City. Okay, SMX Convention Center is at the 4th level of SM City Olongapo Central. Birthdays, kahit binyag, kahit wedding, reception ng wedding, no? Or party, simply party, or whatever, at SMX Convention Center Olongapo City. Yeah, okay. The event venue for your parties, for your events, whatever events you're gonna be having. Ayan, Subic Electric employees. Ayan, this one's for you. Hanggang November 30 na lang, ha? So, bilisan nyo na. Ayan, Subic employees. Ayan, Company of the Month. Alright? And also the Shakey's. 50,000 pesos every day for 50 days. How awesome is that, huh? For every 300 spend, equals one raffle entry. Okay, promo is up until December 30, 2025. So, don't miss it. Baka wala pa kayong super card ng Shakey's. Visit Shakey's now at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Alright? And lastly, the Tom's World. Okay? Avail of the 700, or rather the 70, not 700, 70 plus 40 tokens for only 350 pesos. And get a special deal. Okay? Stack up on prices. Promo is from September 1 to 31, 2025. Tom's World, 4th level, SM City Olongapo Central. Ito na muna, the latest news and update. Wag muna yung dito sa Let's Go Abroad muna. Ito yung hottest in the news ngayon, ano? Ang death toll na doon sa sa Hong Kong's deadliest fire in decades. Maraming years na itong deadliest fire ngayon na nagaganap sa Hong Kong. Pero fire out na Yeah, okay? At least 55 were dead. It killed at least 55 people after the blaze raged through the several high-rise buildings. Yung huli ko nabalitaan, 7 ba yun? Pitong high-rise buildings yata yung nasunog, no? Or baka nadagdagan pa kasi kanina ko pa yung nakita, no? Okay, pero as of now, the latest, this was about a couple of minutes ago. 55 daw yung 55 ayon sa CNN. Ayan, 55 ang namatay. With more than 200 missing pa, hinahanap pa. So probably the death toll would increase pa, would climb up pa, no? Because more were fear dead habang hinahanap pa yung mahigit 200. Okay? So that's the latest. Kung hindi nyo pa nakita, you can check it out on YouTube. It's all over. It's all over the news pa rin, yung mga news channels. Yung firefighters battled the blaze for more than 24 hours na no? Okay? So, ang hirap ng ganitong sitwasyon. Yung high-rise towers na to, residential pa naman. Maraming nakatirang tao. And as of the latest, 55 were dead. Okay, so that's the latest about the Hong Kong fires that's happening. Also, do you guys know, aside from that, arrests were made. The complex was under renovation and encased in bamboo scaffolding and safety netting. Okay? 3 men who work for a construction company have been arrested on suspicion of manslaughter in relation to the fire. Yun, may na-aresto pala, no? Manslaughter in relation to the fire. Hindi naman nilinaw kung sila yung nagsunog. Pero in relation to the fire, no? Or habang nasunog, baka may ginawa silang katarantaduhan. Okay, and tomorrow po, in celebration of the 33rd anniversary of the SBMA, there will be the job fair, okay? Job fair that's going to be happening November 28, 2025, 10 a.m. onwards at the Activity Center of Ayala Mall's Harbor Point. Yan, okay? So, yung mga naghahanap ng trabaho, this one's for you, 33rd anniversary of the SBMA, there will be a job fair, 10 a.m. at the Activity Center of the Harbor Point Ayala Mall. Spearheaded, of course, by the SBMA Labor Department. Also being brought to you by the Department of Labor and Employment. Also Public Employment Services Office or PESO. And the Ayala Mall's Harbor Point. And yung venue partner lagi ng job fairs being conducted by the SBMA Labor Department. So sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho, we have about almost 6,000 job openings na. Grabe, ang dami, no? Okay, the last time we did a job fair, 4,000 plus yung job openings, pero nagpunta 400 plus lang, no? So kulang na kulang sa tao. So ngayon, baka kulangin ulit sa tao. Punta na kayo, lahat na naghahanap ng trabaho ngayon, yung mga nakatambay dyan ngayon. Kasalukuyan nakikinig sa akin, baka nakanganga. Punta kayo sa job fair. Bukas na to, 10 a.m. Okay. Pero bago yung 10 a.m. na job fair, may mauuna pang activity. Ayan, tomorrow din to, 7 a.m. is the launching of the Friday Cleanup Club. Okay, tapat ko, linis ko, pagagandahin ko. Ayan, November 28, Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Meeting place is in front of Building 229. Okay? Ang host SBU tomorrow, Strategic Business Unit, Chairman and Administrators Group. Yan, every Friday kasi iba-iba, kanya-kanyang turn. Pero eto, for the launching, mauuna yung Chairman and Administrators Group na, no? The Friday Cleanup Club, launching of the monthly Subic Bay Freeport-wide cleanup activity as part of the 33rd anniversary of the SBMA. Kahit hindi kayo taga-SBMA or hindi kayo employees, pwede kayong tumulong kung gusto nyo maglinis. Yan. Okay? Again, yung meeting place in front of Building 229. Okay? I-discuss doon kung ano yung saan yung mga parting lilinisin. Okay? So this is the launching of the Friday Cleanup Club tomorrow. You guys join us, okay? Dinto by the SBMA Ecology Center. Yan, okay? And yung SBMA Ecology is also inviting you to the Green Products and Innovation Showcase at the Ayala Mall's Harbor Point Promenade in partnership with DTI Zambales. Discover and shop your favorite local products, eco-friendly finds, and green crafts, proudly made by our homegrown entrepreneurs. Support sustainability, support local. Ayan, okay? So do check it out. Festival is gonna be having another edition starting tomorrow, Friday na. Okay, alam niyo naman, tuwing Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, nag-ooperate ang Subic Bay Food Festival. Get ready for a flavor-packed weekend because Subic Bay Food Festival is coming alive again. And you're invited, okay? Expect a colorful mix of your favorite food stalls, must-try dishes, festive lights, and that unbeatable SBFF vibe along the iconic Waterfront Road. Yeah, so we got different mouth-watering foods from our amazing merchants. Background music to set the weekend mood, the perfect ambience by the Subic Bay shoreline. Okay? Bring your family, barkada, and loved ones as we celebrate great food, great music, and great company. Waterfront Road, Subic Bay Freeport Zone, this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from late afternoon, 5 p.m. till midnight. Okay? Or hanggang may tao. So let's make the weekend unforgettable at Subic Bay Food Festival 2025. See you guys there. And lastly, calling the attention of all Olongapo City National High School alumni, okay, there will be the Grand Alumni Homecoming. Okay, this coming February 2026. Medyo matagal pa naman, ano, pero yeah, ina-announce na natin para sigurado. Yeah, okay. So 80th na, pang 80. 80th Grand Reunion, Grand Alumni Homecoming ng OCNHS Olongapo City National High School. So if you're among them, kung isa ka sa mga alumni, don't graduate, kahit anong batch pa yan, ano, as long as you're a graduate of Olongapo City National High School. Okay? So, do attend. February. And yung batch 1990 naman, kasama rin sa panawagan natin. All batch 1990 Grand, no, not Grand. Iba yung sa Grand. All OCNHS batches yon. Yung batch 1990 lang. You guys will be having your Grand Reunion, 35th na actually. 35th reunion of batch 1990 at Subic Park Hotel, December 12, 5 p.m. onwards with the theme, Together as One. Oh, yan yun, oh, yung song na yan. Okay, so attend kayo, ha? Alright? 35th Grand Reunion. No, hindi na mauulit yan, kaya it's gonna be extra special. Your officials are making it extra special dahil pang 35th nga. Ang pang 35th is Emerald Reunion of Olongapo City National High School. Yan, okay. With the theme, this song, Together as One. Yeah.
Together as one.
Dear DJ Tommy G. Tandang-tanda ko pa. Nung 1990, kami ay graduate. Graduate. Pagkatapos ng graduation, kami ay nagpunta sa disco. Okay, kilala ko yun, yung mga nagpunta sa disco pagkatapos ng graduation. Kilala ko yun eh. Nag-disco dancing, no? Kasi umaga na umuwi. Relive those moments. Yan, relive the rekindle din the romance. Magbabalikan ng memories. Tapos magbalikan din yung mga gustong magbalikan. Ay! Pero okay. Pero in line with this din, yung mga may kakayahan namang mag-donate, mag-donate naman kayo. Kulang pa yung pondo eh. We're trying to make it special, pero syempre mahirap kung walang support, no? Ayan. Gaya nung batch ko, yung classmates ko sa batch 90, umimik naman kayo. Hindi umiimik eh, naka-silent mode lahat eh. Okay. Pero nonetheless, may donation or wala, may ticket o wala, pumunta kayo pumunta. Hindi mo kayo iti-turn away pag nandoon kayo di ba? Syempre naman. It's for everybody. It's for batch 1990, But still, promise, we're still trying to make it extra special. We're trying to make it free for all sana. Kung mabubuo yung amount that we need para sa lahat-lahat. Hindi naman kasi libre yan di ba? Sa hotel gagawin, extra special na hotel, with extra special delicious food, with extra special host or MC, hindi ako. Si Kuya Host Johan. hindi ako ang host. Kaya attend na kayo, hindi ako MC, promise. Baka iba ayaw umattend dahil baka sabihin si DJ Tommy G na naman yun Hindi ako mag-MC this time. Uupo lang ako at makikinig. Pero I might be playing the music for you guys. No? Baka, I don't know. Alright, so once again, mark your calendars. Malapit na, December 12, 2025. At Subic Park Hotel, 5 p.m. onwards. Batch 1990 35th reunion. Okay? Nakikinig. Check ko nga, nakikinig ba yung mga tropa ko? May mga tropa ako madalas makinig sa akin tuwing gabi. Tapos matutulog lang. Okay, let me check. Ayan. Happy listening kay Ate Elma Robles and the rest of the Robles family. Ayan. Happy listening sa inyo. Ayan. Sabi ni Justin Rice. Kilala daw niya si Beth Logan. Si Beth Logan. Pero may artista tayong Beth Tamayo. Yun. Si Beth Tamayo, di ba? You guys remember Beth Tamayo? Alam niyo bang niligawan niya noon ni Kenny Loggins, yung singer ng Gonna get loose. Put loose. Yes, niligawan niya si Beth Tamayo, pero binasted ni Beth Tamayo. Ayaw daw niya mapangasawa kasi magiging Beth Loggins. It figures Beth Tamayo, Kenny Loggins. Pag kinasal nga naman sila, magiging Beth Loggins. Okay, yan. Sino pa? Igigreet pa natin. Dagdag pa. Si Honey Ko. Uy, Honey Ko! Kamusta ka, Honey Ko? Honey Ko yung pangalan niya. C-O-H, ha? Okay. Janet Enerva. Si Kami ang Batang Gapo. Naka-tune in. Hello sa inyo. Ayan. Hi. Happy listening. Everybody at Kami ang Batang Gapo. Cynthia Barona Felipe. Alright. Yun. Okay. Sino pa? Let's check. Who else do we gotta greet? Happy listening din kay Dominic Mejia Bolo. Aiza Bambo. Ayan. Huwag kayong loloko-loko kay Aiza. Babambuhin kayo yan. And maidagdag ko lang speaking of pag-aaral, back then dati, congratulations to my son. Ayan, he's in the 4th grade. Consistent Ano ba, second grading ba, third grading? Every grading period. Kasama na naman sa, may award na naman. Yes. Congratulations, son. I'm so proud of you. Since he started school, walang palya. Every year, every grading period, laging kasama sa those being awarded. Yeah. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for being so masipag sa pag-aaral and Naiiyak na naman ako. I'm so proud of you, my son. Congratulations ulit, ha? Okay? Again, thank you for doing that. Your mom and dad, and pati na rin si ate, and mga tito, tita is very, very, very proud of you. Kaya mga tito, mga tita, mga cousin, i-ready na ang GCash. Bigyan natin ng reward, syempre. Okay? Ayan. Ano pa ba idadagdag natin? Sige. Naalala ko lang when nabanggit na rin lang yung high school. When I was in high school, lumaki akong mahirap eh. Galing kami I came from a poor family. Nung high school ako, pag natutulog na kami sa gabi, wala kaming sariling kwarto kasi mahirap lang kami. No? Alam niyo kung ano yung kwarto namin, tulugan namin, yung sala. May nilalatag lang. Tabi-tabi kami dun sa sala. Nagiging bedroom yung sala. Okay? Dahil tabi-tabi kami, marami kami, yung nasa dulo, kailangan wag malikot. Kasi pag gumulong siya, kalsada na. Okay, shout out. Happy listening to Kuya Romel Aquino and all our friends at the SBMA Labor Department. Yan, okay. Dahil nag-iimbita sila sa inyo, bukas na raw po yung job fair na gaganapin in celebration of the SBMA 33rd anniversary. Yan. Kumpletuhin na natin yung shout out. Baka magtampo yung iba. Hindi lang si Sir Romel Aquino. Ayan, kasama sa igigreet din natin si Ma'am Ami Di Macali. Ayan, si Ate Angelina Angelina Geronimo. Si Kuya Augusto Jorge Lacasad Jr. Ayan, ang laging masaya na mama. Kasi wala siyang sad eh. Lacasad. Christian Paulo Belisario. Jocelyn Padlan Arcales. Loniel Aninzo. Lori Domingo Ramos. Orchi Elcano Quejada, si Kuya Ding Pat Opolento, si Ate Pricel Sai, okay? Si RJ DM Valdez na napaka-talented na mama na magaling din na song. Galing kumanta nito, no? Alam niyo yung mga latest song, mga love song, yakang-yaka niya, no? Kayang-kaya niya rin yun, no? I can go the distance. Narinig ko kinanta niya dati. Galing. Siyempre si Kuya Ronald Rondes. Ayan. Pati na rin si Kuya Ruel Javier de Ocampo. Ayan. Tsaka si Ate Crescencia Socorro Helacio Boco Esteban. Ang haba, no? So, nung nagsusulat to nung elementary days, no? Parang it borders on child abuse. Nabigyan siya ng ganyang kahabang ano. Siyempre yung department manager na poging-pogi. Tulad ni DJ Tommy G. Grabe kapugian. Attorney Melvin Luminarias Barrias, sir. Ayan, good evening sa inyo, ha. I hope, may nakalimutan ba ako? Wala ko nakalimutan, no? Kompleto naman to, no? Yeah. Kung may nalimutan man ako, pinapatawad ko na kayo. Ayan, okay. SBMA Labor Department. Once again, inimbitahan nila kayo. Job fair tomorrow, yung mga walang trabaho, punta na lang doon, kita-kits, at the Harbor Point Ayala Mall, 10 a.m. Alam niyo, technique, dalhin niyo lahat. Yung mga papel ninyo, yung mga certificate of completion, certificate of employment, bring them all. Okay, dalhin niyo na at the job fair that will be held tomorrow. 10 a.m. yan, ha? Okay? Okay, so I guess that's about it for me. I gotta say goodbye now. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for joining me, ha? I hope wala akong nakalimutang i-greet, no? Hindi na ako nang babati eh. Nang-greet na lang ako eh. Dati kasi nang babati ako, tinigil ko na. Yung iba, naiiyak kasi. Pag binabati ko, masyado raw masarap. So, time for me to say goodbye. I'll be playing my final song for you guys. Again, happy birthday kay Ate Jenna Coleman. One of the most popular TikTokers. Ngayon yung birthday niya. Jenna Coleman. She's among my favorites. Kilala mo yun? Justin Rice, Birthday niya ngayon, oh. Si Jenna Coleman. Uy, tsaka si ano ha? Bukod kay Beth Logan, tsaka kay Beth Tamayo, si ano pa? Kilala niyo si ano, yung artista, si Sue Ramirez. Oh, alam niyo bang niligawan naman niya ni ano, yung singer naman na taga-US, si Charlie Puth? Yes, niligawan niya si Sue Ramirez. Binasted din ni Sue Ramirez. Itong mga Amerikanon to, kala nyo, basta easy to get yung mga Filipina artist namin, na hindi, no? Binasted ni Sue Ramirez si Charlie Puth. Dahil ayaw niyang magkatuluyan sila, magiging siya si Sue Puth. Oh, siya. That's it. Thank you, everybody. Maraming salamat po. Here's my final song for you guys. Music coming from Menudo. This one's from 1985. The song is called Hold Me. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye-bye. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday night. Bye-bye.